Science is amazing. Its discoveries have generated remarkable technologies. It has improved our quality of life and given us a window for exploring our world. However, when it comes to origins and life's big questions, where do we come from? How did the universe come to be? How did life emerge? Many times, Christians and non-Christians interpret the same data in radically different ways. How can that be? Let's take a closer look. Since the Enlightenment, science has operated under the assumption of naturalism. Naturalism is a philosophical concept that presupposes nature is all there is. In its attempt to avoid superstition, naturalism eliminated the concept of God. Nature became the product of blind chance and necessity, and science has begun to operate under this premise. In the Judeo-Christian worldview, God is not nature, neither is He part of nature. He transcends nature. In this view, God created and ordered a universe governed by natural laws that He established. He created life and finally human beings capable of reasoning, eager to observe and explore the universe. God created people not only able to pursue science, but desiring to do so. Great scientists such as Newton, Kepler, and Pasteur held to this worldview. It inspired them to study nature as the handiwork of God. So the question isn't about science at all, it's about assumptions. Consider this simple example. Two explorers reach a remote island. As they wander around the beach, they notice a sandcastle. Mesmerized, they ponder two explanations. The sandcastle was created by the actions of wind and water, or the sandcastle is the product of an intelligent mind. If one goes in with the wrong assumptions, it doesn't matter how perfect your methodology is. You're going to end up with the wrong answer. You could run perfect experiments, you could complete all analyses with precision, and you'd still be wrong. It sounds like if we want to pursue truth, we need to be careful about our assumptions. So what about our origins? Is nature a product of chance? Or does nature have a designer, a creator? Christians believe many arguments grounded in scientific observations provide a cumulative case for a creator. For example, we know life reveals tremendous complexity. In the natural world, we observe systems and machines far more sophisticated than our most advanced technology. From experience, we understand design necessitates a designer. Can we look at DNA, something far more complex than our inventions, and not see a designer? As we observe the cosmos, science appears to tell us that the universe had a beginning. We know a beginning implies a cause. And from this very beginning, our universe is regulated by physical laws, so fine-tuned that for it to have come about at random seems absurd. The odds are literally astronomical. Our universe bears the mark of design. Whatever caused this universe to exist could not be bound to matter, space, or time. This cause would need to transcend nature. And whatever designed the universe and life must be a cause with supreme power and creativity. These qualities align well with the biblical God. With these and many other arguments for God, Christians reason nature can be explored forensically with a designer in mind. The materialist claims that invoking a designer hampers science. The Christian feels the opposite is true. Not invoking a designer, when observations strongly favor one, gives us the wrong answers. Including that designer in our scientific pursuits frees us to explore our universe unrestricted by our assumptions. It allows us to see where the evidence leads. Scientific inquiry doesn't have to be boxed up by naturalism. A more holistic pursuit of knowledge that carefully evaluates the evidence from all fields of knowledge leads us closer to truth. And with good reasons for believing in God, we can expand exploration to the transcendent and take discovery to new heights.